Hello my dear student, welcome to KK Chauhan Vision. Today we are going to discuss about the question, why is control and coordination required for our body? This question is from the lesson Control and Coordination. Control and coordination is required to get the advantages of environmental changes. ठीक है, environmental change, or we know our environment varies. Sometime it is very cold and sometime very hot. To save the body from accidents and to make the coordination with the surrounding, we need control and coordination. Okay. Next, how does chemical coordination take place in animals? In animals, hormones carry out the functions of chemical coordination. These are produced from endocrine or ductless glands. We will know about these glands in this topic today. These chemicals are produced in one part of our body and they act in other part of the body known as the target organ. For example, insulin. For example, insulin hormone produced by the pancreas. Okay, pancreas is an endocrine gland and it play an important physiologic role, especially in liver, muscle cell and adipose tissue, adipose cells. Okay, as they are produced from ductless gland, so they are transported through blood, because ductless glands produce hormone and it transported to ductless gland, from ductless gland to target organ through bloodstream. Okay, let's start. Next question, what are hormones? Hormones are chemicals which control and coordinate plants and animals. Along with the brain, they are secreted from ductless or endocrine glands and are used in other part of the body. We have read in this question, they are produced in one part of the body and they act in other part of the body. Okay, and next, what are endocrine glands? We know hormones are released by glands in our body. These glands are called endocrine glands. The secretion of endocrine glands are carried out by bloodstream because the endocrine glands do not have ducts to pass their hormones, so they are called ductless glands. We will know about pancreas. Pancreas is a endocrine gland. It secretes insulin hormone. We will discuss about this in this topic. How does secretion of endocrine glands reach the target point or target organ? We know through blood stream. Okay, the secretion of endocrine glands. The secretion of endocrine glands, I know you will say hormone. Yes, hormone reach to the target point with the help of blood stream. Next point, for general properties of hormones, they are required in very small quantity. They are secreted independent to one another. एक हार्मोन जब बनता है तो वो दूसरे से अलग होएगा, अपना काम करेगा. दे आर सिक्रेटेड इन एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स. ओके, एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स, करेक्ट, ENDO, endocrine glands. They are secreted in response to specific stimuli. They are formed when there is a special stimulus in our body. The hormone is secreted by the special endocrine gland. Why pituitary gland considered as a master gland? What is pituitary gland? Pituitary gland is a small oval shaped gland situated at the base of brain. It is not only control the body function but also control the functions of other endocrine glands. So it is called the master gland. Okay, we will again read about the pituitary gland in different question. Next, thyroxine hormone. Now we are go about different hormones and endocrine glands. First we will start about the thyroxine hormone. Why is the use of iodized salt advisable? The iodized common salt contains salts of iodine. Iodine is required for the synthesis of thyroxine hormone in the thyroid gland. Thyroxine is a vital hormone which controls carbohydrate, fat and protein metabolism. Deficiency of this hormone leads to goiter disease. आपने देखा होगा एक फूली हुई गर्दन, नेक, है ना. Deficiency of this hormone, deficiency of iodine in children leads to poor physical and mental development. Next, how does our body respond when adrenaline is secreted into the blood stream? Adrenal hormone is secreted by adrenaline gland. Okay, release of adrenaline into the blood increases the rate of heartbeat and release of more glucose from glycogen in liver. Increased rate of heartbeat supplies more oxygen to the muscles. The blood supply to the digestive system and skin is reduced due to contraction of muscles around these organs. The blood is diverted to our muscles. The breathing rate is also increased to supply sufficient oxygen to the body. The extra food in our body is stored in glycogen form, in the form of extra glucose in our body, always stored in the form of glycogen, and adrenaline hormone oxidized this excess glucose in our body and produces more energy. With the help of this energy, we can make our problem easier. That is how our body get prepared to deal with emergency situation or do or die situation. Next, why are some patients of diabetes treated by giving injections of insulin? Diabetic patient suffer due to the deficiency of insulin hormone. We know the pancreas in diabetic patient fail to secrete sufficient supply of insulin. As a result, the glucose level of blood rises because glucose is not utilized in the body of such patient. Therefore, as to decrease the quantity of glucose in blood, insulin injections are given intravenously in muscles. Now we will discuss these hormones and endocrine glands and their functions through a table. Hormone, endocrine glands and their function. First we will discuss growth hormone. It is secreted by pituitary gland. This hormone regulates growth and development in our body. The pituitary gland is situated at the base of our brain. It is a oval shaped gland and small gland, and also known as the master gland. Second, thyroxine hormone secreted by thyroid gland. This hormone controls carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. Adrenaline hormone is secreted by adrenal gland and it prepares the body to deal with the emergency situation. Okay, we are seeing thyroid gland. This is a thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secrete thyroid hormone. Below the thyroid gland there is a parathyroid gland. It secrete parathyroxine hormone, and above the kidney there is a adrenaline gland. It secrete adrenaline hormone, and pancreas secrete insulin hormone. I will discuss here. Insulin hormone, it is secreted by pancreas. This hormone regulates blood sugar level. Testosterone hormone secreted by testis. This hormone is produced only in male and it causes development of sexual organ and secondary sexual characteristics in males. Estrogen hormone, it is secreted by ovary in female, cause development of sexual organ and secondary sexual characteristics in female. And this is the diagram of endocrine glands in male and female. Today's topic was little bit lengthy. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.